the Yuba Electric Boda Boda, and this was also new this year from Yuba. What's awesome about this bike is this is their compact cargo bike, so it has a smaller rear cargo space, so it can hold about 2 kids or another adult and a dog. You can get creative with how you want to use that space. They also paired this bike with the Shimano steps motor, so it's a really smooth electric pedal assist. It's definitely meant for flatter terrain, not aggressive hills, but you can definitely cap out at around 93 miles before you need to recharge the battery, of course terrain dependent. This is retailing for $34.99 and it is available now. You can buy it on their website, yubabikes.com, and it comes in 2 different frame colors. This is champagne, and then they have a really beautiful aqua color as well.